The U.S. isn't the only country facing a fiscal cliff. Japan says it may run out of money this month if opposition parties don't support legislation authorizing nearly $500 billion of borrowing. Mike Firn explains.
A government with no money is an alarming prospect. No cash to pay the workers who make sure the roads get repaired and the garbage collected. Nothing to pay for daycare or teachers' wages. That's the scenario that Japan's finance ministry is talking about as the government tries to rally opposition support for fundraising legislation.
Prime Minister Noda's strong card is that he can make the LDP look like a villain, because everybody wants the government to function. And if the LDP boycotts government funding bills, that basically means that the LDP obstructs the functioning of the Japanese state.
If there was an election today, the Liberal Democrats would probably win. A Kyoto News poll found only 12% of voters would back the ruling Democrats. 28% support the LDP.
What worries me about the LDP-led government is basically they are looking at the foreign markets or foreign investment as a mean to boost the economy now. So they are even taking in policies such as the sovereign wealth fund or the promotion of the private foreign investment as a mean for the boosting the economy. That's basically meaning you're moving out of the capital, out of the country or out of the JGB markets.
The government says it'll be difficult to hold an election this year because it needs to focus on its financing problems. LDP leader Shinzo Abe hinted Monday his party would support the bill even if Noda doesn't call an election. But analysts say pulling a U-turn doesn't make the fiscal cliff go away.
This year, I think we've got this special kabuki going on with the LDP and the Democratic Party. In the end, I think something is going to be resolved. But going forward, over the next 3 to 5 years, these deficit funding issues are going to continue.
Speaking of political kabuki, check out these lines from Shinzo Abe. We're offering a period of sunshine for the Prime Minister to think this is the last chance for him to prove that he's not a liar. Now, analysts say what that means is they will back the bill to give the government breathing space, but then the LDP wants the government to set a date for the election. But as those pundits know, guessing the date of an election is as easy as predicting those periods of sunshine. Mike Firn, CCTV, Tokyo.